And here we have Kevin's FZJ75 Land Cruiser. Came up from Glenwood, and I am going to be theoretically going from here back in another 2.5 replacement exhaust. Everything's all boo-gooed up there. Unfortunately, further forward is also a little bit damaged. Now, for whatever reason, this one doesn't have an oxygen sensor, but the port is there and blocked off. But also covered in muffler putty. I don't want it going out like that. He doesn't want this going out like this either. So, first thing I'm going to do is strip it all down. That's better. Yeah, now you can see it. Strip it all off and have a good look here and see what's going on. And then a 409 grade Aussie made pre-made kit is going on it, and it's got holes everywhere, as you can see, all the way through. Certainly time to be dealt with. So keep watching. This will be a very simple attachment of a kit system and then doing something inventive at the front. I don't know what till I get to it. So I need to get it a bit higher, and then I can start stripping it down. Still no grasshopper, and probably not for the foreseeable future. However, he's welcome back, but he's not medically fit. Alright, back later. Well, here we are 2 hours later, and the job is completed. Doing the kit as such doesn't take 2 hours, but I did have to reinvent the back end of the extractors. As you can see, ample clearance everywhere and all new mounts where they had to be. Not reusing any old mounts, and they were pretty crumbly. Some were broken. Clearance everywhere on this Australian 409 grade stainless steel product. Made in Melbourne. Now this is the part that I had to remanufacture. The extractors are very old, they don't need to be replaced just yet. I was able to salvage them and put a short spigot in a longer piece, and the flex. Why not one piece? Because I wanted to be able to get it off and rotate it down to finish welding where I had to weld, slip it up, and then I could get it all the way around here. It was just quicker, easier, and less chance of things going wrong, because everything at the front is buku crusty. Yeah, but it doesn't need extractors yet. That's for another day. There we go. 2 hours worth of work at 290 Albert Street in Maryborough. 5-year warranty on the system, 2-year warranty on the front section, but I cannot guarantee his old extractors, obviously. And here he goes back to Glenwood via the shopping centre, I believe. A little bit more running around in town. Not overly loud at all. And without getting restrictive, that's about as quiet as you get with a free flow muffler on a petrol 75 series Land Cruiser. That's the FZJ75, not the FJ75. There we go. Not super quick, not super slow. Good work for a fair honest price. That's the way I am. Thanks for watching. Hit me up with a like, comment. If you want to hype the video, even better. Appreciate that. Might be more later, not sure. Really should be careful with my bookings. Not two of us here, just me, and I'm not as quick as I used to be. Alright, cheers.